Mikey's mad. He's mad, y'all. So mad. He's back there complaining, y'all. At least I got a man with a crane to pull us out. What was that thing anyway, Mikey? Not a crane. That was a bulldozer. Heck, I stepped up a grade. I got us a bulldozer today. Wait a minute. I stand corrected. I got a man with a backhoe. Mikey's mad. But at least I scored a backhoe today. I always got to have them things on backup. You see, we got that feller there with that backhoe because I screamed for help. And boy, they come a-running. They come a-running when I get to hollering, Mikey. Mikey said, thank God for that fella. I said, yeah, thank God. I cried out for help. We'd still be sitting in the hall. But I don't mind asking somebody for some help when I need it. Mikey, there's a moccasine going across the dag-blasted darn creek right yonder. Did you see him? There is a moccasine